of podcasts where we are interviewing people who have cracked their internships at premier institutes like IITs, JNUs, and CSIRs. So today we have with us Debojit, and who has cracked his internship at JNU, and we'll be learning more from his experiences there and how he applied it there. So hi Debojit.
Hello, Bhaiya.
So like let's start with your introduction. Tell me a little bit about yourself.
So, as Bhaiya said, my name is Devojit, and currently I'm pursuing my bachelor's in medical biotechnology in Galgotias, and I'm doing my dissertation in the BSL-3 lab in JNU. So, yeah.
So like one question here, what is the BSL-3 laboratory?
Well, BSL-3 laboratory is a lab where the safety level increases. So my lab particularly is working on Bacillus anthracis, so which is a very harmful
Hazardous.
hazardous disease. So जैसे जैसे आपका वो बढ़ते रहता है level, so there are 4 types of BSL labs: 1, 2, 3, and 4. So the third is that the disease can be carried from me to someone else also. So that's why the BSL-3 has a more safety level for contaminations and such.
Oh, so like communicable diseases. Okay. So what is the current affiliation there in the laboratory?
Well, right now I'm working on a project under Professor Rakesh Bhatnagar. So I'm working on some Bacillus anthracis strains. So it is about basically, uh, protein extraction, protein.
Yeah, you do not need to go into the specifics
Okay,
of the
okay.
project because I believe until you complete the project, it would be restricted for you. So what was your selection process like? Like how did you got into a BSL level 3 laboratory while being a student here at Galgotias University as well?
Well, my journey for applying was a little, unusual because first of all, in my second year, I visited various labs for 1 year, 1 month internship, but they didn't affiliate student of second year and said, "Ki you are abhi bhi bacha, you have to study a little more to get into these labs." So I went to Jamia Hamdard, Jamia Millia Islamia, and many institutes, labs, and gave emails. But in JNU, it was a unusualness because पहले मैं गया था JNU और क्योंकि मैंने बहुत लोगों को ईमेल कर दिया था, राइट? तो ईमेल करने के बाद आई वाज कि किसी का मेरे को रिप्लाई नहीं आ रहा, भाई क्या करूं, कोई रिप्लाई नहीं दे रहा। तो मैंने क्या किया, 3 दिन रुका। आफ्टर 3 days आई अगेन ईमेल एवरीवन, पैराफ्रेज किया, फिर से हर चीज लिखा, नई सीवी बनाई, हर चीज नया 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 नया, कुछ उनके लैब के रिलेटेड कुछ नए नए आइडियाज डाल दिए, बट कोई रिप्लाई नहीं दे रहा। माई कॉन्फिडेंस वॉज क्रश्ड, खत्म। So that was the time when one of my professors, Sumedha Mukherjee ma'am, she said कि go personally जाओ and old time वाला, जैसे हाथ में सीवी पकड़ो और सीधा जाके उनको बोलो this is my CV, I have these ideas, I have known about you from this ऐसे करके, और फिर तुम उनको बताओ कि this is my idea and I want to work in your lab, और ऐसा ऐसा कुछ कुछ So that day I went to different professors. So one by one, everyone was saying कि no vacancies in my lab. I have already had students and such. So the thing was, I didn't actually have any connections also, and so I went. Then the thing was that I didn't know that there was another faculty, because Rakesh Bhatnagar sir was the national science chair over there, and I didn't know that he was a faculty. Because his name was not under the faculty, his name was under national science chair. So that day I went and just handed, I was, sir, I want to do an internship a dissertation project of 6 months. Uh, so he said, "Ki give me your CV. I'll look into it." And he asked me some questions, various questions about this that. And after some time, I was thinking कि that नहीं नहीं मिलेगा, नहीं देंगे मेरे को. Then I received a text in my WhatsApp that if you want to do the dissertation under me, then go through the specifics of my lab, what Bacillus anthracis is all about, and what we do in this lab. So I went through everything. I read some papers also. Then next day I was getting an interview. There he personally prepared two papers, and he very nice person. He prepared two papers, and he first to last everything he explained how Bacillus anthracis works, what they are doing in the lab. He has made some vaccines on Bacillus anthracis, and various things. So very nice person. He actually explained me everything about Bacillus anthracis and how he sell it. How he got me very excited about the project.
Wow, that is like really great because like without even any connections to the traditional route, you have accomplished this journey. So it really motivates me as well. And I believe for the students who do not have a strong research background or who do not have that uh, like network there, so what would you suggest to them? Because I believe from your journey you have gained a lot of these experience. So how would you paint a roadmap for them? Can do these things to best accomplish your goals.
Well, my advice is simple that whenever you are trying to get into any lab, first get to know their faculty, have a a proper greetings with your own professors that you are um, teaching under, and try to paint a picture of how everything is going on in the lab, what your idea should be coinciding on. Since being a bachelor student, एक graduate student को उतना पता नहीं होता कि उसको क्या करना है आगे. तो just try everywhere and paint different emails. अगर कोई उसका reply नहीं दे रहा है तो 3 दिन बाद वापस परेशान कर दो एकदम emails कर करके. And अगर फिर भी कोई नहीं करता है तो go in person because there it shows dedication कि अगर तुम वहां पे जा रहे हो and showing your CV और हर चीज आप फेस टू फेस इंटरेक्शन कर रहे हो, so your confidence. और फेस टू फेस इंटरेक्शन में ऐसा भी होता है कि तुम्हारा कॉन्फिडेंस दिखता है, तुम कैसे इंसान हो, योर क्रिएटिविटी लेवल, योर एजुकेशन, एवरीथिंग इट शोज. तो आई से एडवाइस कि हाँ, गो इन पर्सन.
So you went there at your laboratory and you started working there. What was your first day like?
My first day was a little embarrassing for me